Imagine a giant ball. This ball is our Earth. Now picture lines circling the ball. These lines are imaginary, but they help us understand our planet. These lines are called latitude lines. Latitude lines run east to west. They tell us how far a place is from a special line called the equator. The equator is like Earth's belt. It circles the Earth at its widest point. Latitude lines help us locate places on Earth. They also tell us about the climate of a place. To draw latitude lines, you don't need much. You need a globe or a map. You also need a marker. A pencil works best. A pen will work too. That's it. Now you're ready to draw. First, find the equator on your globe or map. It's the line that circles the Earth in the middle. Now imagine drawing a line above the equator. This line should be parallel to the equator. This new line is a latitude line. You can draw more lines above the equator. Each line should be the same distance apart. You can also draw lines below the equator. These lines are also latitude lines. Each latitude line has a number. This number is its degree. The equator is at 0 degrees. Lines above the equator are called north latitudes. Lines below the equator are called south latitudes. The North Pole is at 90 degrees north latitude. The South Pole is at 90 degrees south latitude. Section 5. Measuring the Earth. Latitude and distance. Latitude lines help us measure distance on Earth. The distance between each degree of latitude is about 69 miles. This means if you travel from one latitude line to another, you have traveled about 69 miles. Section 6. Hot and cold latitude and climate. Latitude lines tell us about the climate of a place. Places near the equator are hot. They receive direct sunlight all year. Places far from the equator are colder. They receive less direct sunlight. Section 7. Navigating our world latitude and longitude. Latitude lines help us navigate the Earth, but we need another set of lines to pinpoint exact locations. These lines are called longitude lines. Longitude lines run from north to south. They connect the North Pole to the South Pole. Together, latitude and longitude lines create a grid system. This grid system helps us locate any point on Earth. Section 8. Latitude in action, real-world applications. We use latitude every day. Pilots use latitude and longitude to navigate airplanes. Ships use them to sail across the oceans. We even use them in our cars and phones. GPS uses latitude and longitude to tell us where we are. Section 9. The power of latitude. Understanding our planet. Latitude is a simple concept, but it's very important. It helps us understand our planet's geography, climate, and navigation. By learning about latitude, we learn more about our place in the world.